What's up, guys? Welcome to AppGeeker channel. If you forget your iPad lock screen passcode and you enter the wrong passcode for 5 times in a row, you'll get an alert says iPad unavailable on the screen. When you enter the wrong passcode for the 7th time, you will get a security lockout screen. It is a new feature of iPadOS 15.2 or higher to keep you from using the device. In today's video, we're going to show you 3 ways let you regain access to your iPad successfully. Let's dive in. Here I'm going to use a 9th generation iPad as the demonstration in the video. It's suitable for any model's iPad you have, so don't be nervous, keep watching this video. If your iPad runs iPadOS 15.2 or higher, keep typing the wrong passcode until you see Erase iPad on the bottom of the screen. This option means you can use your Apple ID and password to bypass the unavailable screen. Before you reset your device, you have to check if your device connects to the Wi-Fi network or a cellular data. There's one thing you need to note is that if you restart your device at this time, it can't reconnect to a Wi-Fi network unless you unlock the device, but the cellular still can work normally if you've active service before. Okay, let's go on. Tap Erase iPad. It says this iPad is in Security Lockout. You can try your passcode again in 15 minutes, or you can erase and reset this iPad now. But in your case, you need to remove your lock screen passcode by erasing the device, so tap Erase iPad again. Now you can use your Apple ID and password to erase and reset your iPad. Enter the Apple ID password to proceed. Wait for a short while. iPad is being erased now. This process may take several minutes. It will erase all content and settings on your device. When the Hello screen appears, you can use your iPad as a new. The next solution is using findmyiCloud.com to erase and reset your unavailable iPad. This process requires a phone or a computer. Let's get started and take an iMac for an example. Open the Safari app, then go to the iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Then a message with a verification code has been sent to your device. Here I receive the code on my iMac. Don't worry, you can receive the code on your other iOS devices. Like your iPhone, enter the code to continue. When it finishes loading, you can see Find iPhone icon on the screen. Click it. Click All Devices on the top. Select your unavailable iPad from the list. Once selected, you can see the selected device on the top left corner. Click Erase iPad. Click Erase when prompted. Enter your Apple ID password. Enter the new verification code to confirm. Let's get back to the iPad. You can see the device is erasing now. Everything in your iPad will be erased completely, and the erased iPad cannot be located or tracked. Once erased and reset, you can use your iPad normally. If your iPad doesn't get access to internet, the Erase iPhone option won't appear on the screen. Or the device can't be erased successfully via findmyiCloud.com. Don't worry. You can regain access to your iPad by using iPhone Unlocker from AppGeeker. It just needs 4 steps to unlock your device. You can get it from AppGeeker Official, and the link is put in the description part. Let's take a look. Run it on the desktop. Because you lost the passcode of your iPad. So you need to click Wipe Passcode pane to proceed. Click Start button to go on. Connect your unavailable iPad to the computer. The tool can't recognize your iPad because your device is locked. Here you need to put it into recovery mode. Now you need to unplug your iPad from the computer at first. If your iPad has a home button, Press and hold the top button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Then wait a short while to make sure that it turns off completely. Then keep pressing the home button and plug your iPad to the computer at the same time. Don't release the button until you see a cable point to a computer. Now your device is in recovery mode. If your iPad doesn't have home button, press and hold one of the volume buttons and the top button at the same time until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the end to turn off your device. Then keep pressing the top button and plug your device to the computer in the meanwhile. Don't let go of the button until the recovery mode screen appears. Once connected successfully, you need to select the information of your device. Then click Start button. As you can see, iPhone Unlocker is downloading the newest software for your iPad to get rid of the unavailable message. During this process, your device is still in recovery mode. Once finished, enter 0000 in the text box, then click Unlock. Now it starts to unlock your iPad. When the progress boot loading, your device is being erasing. This process may take several minutes. When you see the hello screen, your device is unlocked successfully. Now you can set up your iPad. Press the home button. Choose your language and set up your region. Connect to a Wi-Fi network, set up a Touch ID or Face ID, create a passcode which is not easily forgotten. If you've backed up your data in iCloud or a computer, you can get your data back. When you reach to the Apps and Data screen, tap Restore from iCloud Backup and sign into iCloud with your Apple ID and password. Then go to Choose Backup screen. Select a latest backup from the list of iCloud backups. Tap Continue button to proceed. As you can see, your device data is being restoring. The time depends on the size of the data. Once finished, your iPad will restart. Now you can use your iPad as usual. Hopefully this video can help you unlock your iPad successfully. If it does, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us. If you have any problems about fixing iPhone or iPad, let us know in comments section. See you next time. Peace out.